Today, we will explore how to use ChatGPT prompts to generate formulas and apply them effectively. Slide 2, Introduction to ChatGPT for Excel. Excel is a powerful tool, but writing formulas can be challenging. Fortunately, ChatGPT can help by providing the right formulas based on your queries. Simply describe what you need in natural language, and ChatGPT will generate the formula for you. In this session, we will categorize formulas into three main types: basic, lookup and reference, and conditional and logical formulas. Slide 3, Basic Formulas. Let's start with some fundamental formulas in Excel that help with arithmetic and data aggregation. These include sum, average, round, min, max, and count. Sum. This formula adds numbers in a given range. Prompt. How do I add all the numbers in a range in Excel? Formula equals sum A1, A9. 2. Average finds the mean value of numbers in a range. What formula calculates the average of a selected range in Excel? Formula equals average B1, B9. 3. Round rounds a number to a specific number of decimal places. How can I round a number in Excel to 2 decimal places? Formula equals round C1, 2. 4. Min and max. Find the smallest and largest values in a range. Prompt, what formulas do I use to find the smallest and largest numbers in a range? Formula min D1, D9 equals max D1. 5. Count. Counts only numeric values in a range. How can I count the number of numeric cells in a column in Excel? Count F1, F9. Slide 4. Lookup and reference formulas. Lookup formulas help retrieve specific data from a dataset. Let's go through index, match, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP. 6. Index returns a value from a specified row and column in a table. Prompt, how do I use index to fetch a value from a table in Excel? Formula equals index K1 L10 2 3. 7. Match finds the position of a value in a range. Which formula helps find the position of a value in a range? Formula equals match L1 M1 M9 0. 8. Lookup searches for a value in a column and returns corresponding data from another column. Prompt, how do I use VLOOKUP to search for a value in Excel? Formula equals lookup G1 H22 2 false. 9. HLOOKUP performs a horizontal search in a dataset. What is the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? Formula HLOOKUP I1 J1 S2 2 false. 10. XLOOKUP, an advanced lookup function that replaces VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Prompt, how do I use XLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP? Formula equals XLOOKUP A7, A2, A4, B2. Slide 5, Conditional and Logical Formulas. These formulas help perform calculations based on specific conditions. They include COUNTIF, COUNTA, SUMIF, IF, AVERAGE IF, and, or, and concatenate. 11. COUNTIF counts cells that meet a specific condition. Prompt, how do I count cells in Excel based on a condition? Formula equals COUNTIF N1, N9, N5. 12. COUNTA counts non-empty cells in a range. How do I count the number of filled cells in a column? Formula equal COUNTA O1, O9. 13. Sums values based on a condition. How do I sum numbers based on a specific condition? Formula equals sum of P1, P9, 14. EF and nested ifs applies logic-based conditions. Prompt, how do I use EF and nested IF formulas in Excel? Formula F R15 yes, no, or equals IFS 5 high, R15 5 low. 15. Average if finds the average of values that meet a condition. What formula calculates an average based on a condition? Average if Q1, Q9. 16. And or checks multiple conditions at once. Prompt, how do I use and or functions in Excel? Formula equals and S15 S2Y2 equals or S15 S22. 7. Catenate joins text from 2 cells into 1. How can I merge text from 2 cells in Excel? Formula equal concatenate T1, T2. Slide 6. Automating formula generation with ChatGPT. Now that we've covered various Excel formulas, let's talk about how ChatGPT can help automate the process. Instead of memorizing formulas, you can simply ask ChatGPT in plain English, and it will generate the correct formula for your specific use case. Follow these steps. 1. Describe your requirement in natural language. 2. Copy the generated formula from ChatGPT. 3. Paste it into Excel and test it with sample data. 4. Adjust parameters if needed to refine the results. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can save time, reduce errors, and enhance your efficiency in handling Excel data. Slide 7, Sample Data for Testing. Here is a sample data set that contains numerical values, lookup tables, and logical condition data. You can use this data to test the formulas we have discussed today. Try applying these formulas in Excel and see how they work. Slide 8, Conclusion. That concludes our session on using ChatGPT for Excel formulas. We covered basic arithmetic, lookup and reference formulas, and logical conditions, all with the power of AI-generated prompts. I encourage you to experiment with ChatGPT and use it as a valuable tool for improving your efficiency in Excel. Thank you for watching.